All right, so we talked about part one. You would finish slide two. And then this is part two, right? These are comprehension questions that are also 2 points each. What that means is I'm going to ask you questions about what we learned this past week. So your directions have 2 steps. Okay, step 1, watch this video for directions and content review. Awesome, you're already doing that part, right? The video will be right here once I'm done making it. And step 2, read or use Google Read and Write, right? Your purple puzzle piece that will read out loud to you. The question at the top. Then drag and drop the yellow arrow so that it is pointing at the correct answer. So what that means is I would click through slides 4 to 8, right? So we'll do 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. And I will read or use Google Read and Write to listen to what were valuable trade items, things that were worth a lot in the West African kingdoms. Did they trade Pokemon trading cards in the West African kingdoms? That happened a really long time ago. Or gold, salt, and slaves, where you'll do the same thing for slide 5, slide 6, slide 7, and slide 8. I want to give you a little recap very quickly about what we learned. Right, so what we talked about this week were 3 great kingdoms in West Africa, right, from the years 800 to 1500. So it was a long time ago. Right, the 3 great empires that we talked about were Ghana, Mali, and Songhai. All right, these places were all settled around the Niger River. Part of why they were settled there was because it was a good place for trade. Trade is when you sell something that you have that's worth a lot. So some things that were traded included gold, salt, and slaves. All right. In these kingdoms, there were a few really great rulers. 2 that we talked about were Mansa Musa and Askia the Great. Both of them were known for really valuing education, right? They were both Islamic, and they wanted everybody to be able to read the Quran, which is like the Muslim Bible. So they really encouraged people to learn how to read. Askia the Great set up universities and schools. All right. And like I said, they were Islamic. Lastly, there's going to be one question that is asking you to read a map, right? So if you look on slide 8, it wants you to tell me what the map is about by looking at the title in dark blue. All right, I just want to quickly show you. The title is up here. That's the title of the map that you're going to use to help you answer this question. All right, guys, good luck on this, and let me know if you have any questions at all.